Hello, my name is Kaitlyn. I'm a sales consultant with Performance Toyota, and I'd like to speak to all the female shoppers looking for their next vehicle. Ladies, did you know that we have over 80% buying power when it comes to purchasing a vehicle? Despite the large influence that we have in car sales, studies show that ladies have plenty of reluctance when it comes to visiting dealerships, stating that they feel intimidated and heavily discomforted by them. We work hard to break the stereotype here at Performance Toyota, and we have a select number of female staff members at the dealership that you can work with to make your experience at the dealership as convenient as possible. If you don't want to deal with all the hassle of a routine dealership experience and would like to work with knowledgeable female staff members, give us a call at 610-678-3425, or you can reach us online at www.performancetoyotapa.com. Thank you very much.